Hi, Sergeant family. This is CFO Tasha, and I'm here with our HR generalist, Amy Soames. She oversees our benefits administration. And Amy gets a lot of questions and frequently asked questions, I guess I would call them. And so we want to get the answers to those questions out to everybody so everyone can benefit from the information. And especially right now where it's open enrollment. So I've dubbed this Ask Amy. So if you have any questions and you want to ask Amy, you send the questions in. We'll try to do a little video to send the answer out. So Amy,
Yes.
we have two health insurance options for 2021. Can you tell us a little bit about those or what's different between the two plans?
Sure, yeah. We have two Anthem health plans. Both are considered high deductible health plans. One has a $2,800 deductible and the other has a little higher, which is a $5,000 deductible.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we can pretty quickly see that one is much higher than the other. But
Right.
when you say deductible, what does that mean exactly?
Deductible is what we use in general reference to a plan. It's the first thing people ask for. It is the guaranteed amount you're going to pay out of pocket before any level of coverage kicks in. So you know right off the bat, if you're on the $2,800 plan, everything that you have leading up to $2,800 is front loaded as an expense to you. Once you meet that, then your insurance coverage starts to kick in, but it doesn't pay everything.
Okay, so if I go to the emergency room 3 times and it's $500 each time,
Right.
I'm going to be paying for that out of my own pocket. That's the deductible piece.
Yes.
And then what happens after you reach your deductible?
So the deductible, every expense in a claim, be it a medical claim or a pharmacy, when you meet the deductible, you still may have co-pays and co-insurance that you're going to be paying, and you'll pay that until you reach what's called the out-of-pocket maximum. So it isn't just meeting that deductible before you no longer pay anything. You're going to have a little trickle-down effect there where you're still going to pay co-pays and you may be paying a 20% co-insurance on a procedure or a visit. And all of that continues to go toward what is considered the out-of-pocket maximum. When you meet the out-of-pocket maximum, then everything is 100% covered on a claim by the health insurance.
And of course, once we get to that point, that's the company's actually paying that because we're self-insured.
Correct.
So one or the other, either the individual on the plan is paying or the company's paying. And so we want to be good consumers, but we'll save that for another segment. And so if you're brand new to insurance and you're trying to figure out which plan is best for me, should you just go with the lowest weekly premium? Is that the strategy people use?
It depends. I'm going to show you a visual real quick and then we can talk to that. So you can see right here, the deductible we're talking about. This could be either $2,800 or it could be $5,000 with our two plans. Then you're going to have your co-pays on top of that, plus whatever the co-insurance. And on our plans in network, it's 20% that you pay for services rendered. And then all of that goes toward your out-of-pocket max. So if you're a relatively healthy individual and you don't foresee having a lot of this, it's to your benefit to take the higher of the two high deductible plans, which would be the 5,000 plan, because you're likely not going to reach even the basic for the 2,800, and why pay more out of your paycheck each week if you're not going to utilize the benefits within either plan.
Right. So another strategy could be that you take the savings between the two and you bank that or put it in your HSA so you have a cushion should you need the money if you go with the higher deductible, less costly plan.
Right.
So, all right. Well, that was awesome. That was very helpful. Thank you very much for that, Amy. And we'll be back with, there's lots of information to know. So we'll keep on recording these. Thank you, everyone.
Great. Thank you.